Hi, I'm Anusia. I'm 23 this year, and I actually began my journey back when I was 19. And up to date, I've lost 14 kilos and 8% body fat. Yeah, so for myself, I used to be a national level tennis player. And once I actually went to college, I couldn't really adjust to the new environment. So my comfort was actually food. And by the end of that year, I actually gained 10 to 15 kilos. But at that point of time, my goal was just pretty clear. It's just that when I look at the mirror, I want to feel good about myself. But something a little bit more extreme happened. So blood test results came back, and the doctor looked at me and said that I'm sure if you don't change your lifestyle, I see possible diabetes or thyroid issue in the near future. And honestly, at 19, that's not something that you want to hear. But more than that, I think it scared me because like when he told me this, I realized that these were health issues in my family. So I was so clear that I really wanted to break this cycle. And I got started on the program and I continue to keep up with what I've learned from my coach and the community. And let me tell you that when I look at the mirror today, it's a very different person because I used to be a person who didn't want to take photos, but I think right now I'm the first one in front of the camera. But to be really honest with you, I think what matters to me the most and what I've discovered over here is possibility that being a uni student and slowly transitioning into the working life, I honestly had no time for myself. I have back-to-back classes, meetings, family, friends, I mean, you name it. But by the end of that day, I'm really swamped. I can't work on myself. But over here, what I felt is that I never had to stretch myself thin because of how step by step my coach took it for me to ease it into my lifestyle and my schedule. And I honestly never felt like I had to do anything extreme or out of my capacity. And the best thing is that I feel like after 4 years, I'm still able to maintain what I learned. And more importantly, it's so easy for my family to, pick up and what I do and do it for themselves as well. And personally, this is the best feeling throughout. So if I could do it, you could do it as well, guys.